Passenger Dan and Philip Bonsai, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Wala nang to paramdam. Kalit ratong text.
Once again,
Marunong man to.
to keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Salamat po. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for our passengers needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the forward door only. Para po sa mga panauling nangangailangan ng tulong gaya ng wheelchair.